Here we are once again, folks, with another of our juice mix or juice videos. As you can see, this morning we're doing carrot juice. I have maybe about 4 pounds of carrots roughly here with 1 beetroot. Now the beetroot, ladies and gentlemen, is one of those fruits that they say you're not supposed to use a lot. So we're just using this one to pair with the 4 pounds of carrot. Alright, and I'm using it mainly for color and also because it adds a nice flavor to my carrot juice. I'm also adding to my carrot juice this package of Lasco Carrot food drink. Now it's one of those powdered food supplements that we had in Jamaica. It comes in a variety of flavors, and you just add water. One of the things that Lasco did was they tried to mimic the Jamaican way of making carrot juice, which is usually to use milk and sweet milk and spices, you know, nutmegs and cinnamon and whatever in it. We usually use it, you know, by just adding water, as the package says. However, I thought to myself that in my pursuit of health, I would make my carrot juice with my trusty juice man juicer, and I would use the Lasco to just add that creaminess, that richness that we have, that we're used to in the islands. So I tried it before. As you can see, the package is open, and it came out amazing, right, see?
Right.
And so this morning I am going to go ahead and show you the video. As I said, it's very, very simple, folks. I have my juice man set up. You see my catchment cup, my juice man, my pot with the plastic bag at the back. And pretty much the instructions are scrape the carrot, peel the beetroot, add it to the machine, extract the juice, then add maybe half the package of Lasco to it, and that's pretty much it. So ladies and gentlemen, yeah, let's get juicing. Okay, folks, so I just showing you what I'm doing with the carrot. I was before I spoke about scraping it, but I mean, I like how it look when you scrape. I tell no lie. That just me that, you know, many persons can scrape the carrots, but that's just me. I think I can peel it and not take off too much, and so that's what I've been doing. I peeled all the carrots, and I'm just showing you, you know, just run your knife, or if you have a vegetable peeler, like, you know, those potato peelers, that would also work. But just run your knife thinly across the top of the carrot. There's not much flesh to take off anyway, you know, and from there you pretty much, you know, just work your hand around the carrot, and then from there, let me just show you how you do the beet. You know, I take the top off and you just peel the beet. Now sometimes, probably if you're a person who don't want your hands to get red, you can peel this underwater, you know, but I don't mind my hands getting red, because beet basically is, you know, something that will red up your hand. Beet has properties that affects the blood, mainly because of the color, and these are, yes, that is true. No, seriously, because of the blood, because of the color, it affects the blood. And also, if you know anything about food and nutrition, you know that anything with this color is also good for your kidneys. All right, so this is a good kidney cleanser, you know. Anything with this purple or this red or this you know, stuff like that. So I mean, I stand to be corrected. I'm no nutritionist. I pick up a little bit here and there when I go on online, you know. But whatever it does it, and it does it good. All right. So this is your beet, and as you can see, my hands, you know. So here we have, you know, the rest of stuff, and we pretty much we're just gonna be juicing, and then I will come back and show you how I mix in my Lasco carrot juice into my original fresh carrot juice. All right, as I said, and this also, let me say this again. This is not the way in which everybody does it. Some people, they grate the carrots. In Jamaica, we used to grate the carrots and then squeeze out the juice, you know. But I figured since we are foreign, why not work it like how the foreign people have work it? You understand? So, hey, a little bit later on. Okay, folks, so we finished juicing, and I wanted to go back here a little bit, babes. I wanted to show you just the, you know, the pulp from the carrot and the beet that we extracted. Now, I tested it because in Jamaica we would have add more water to this and, you know, re-squeeze it and see if we get more. But I tested it and it's relatively dry. It has nothing left in it. Now, this would be good to be repurposed as maybe a carrot cake or something like that, right, see? And so I just wanted to show you the amount that came from, you know, the 4 pounds of carrot and the 1 beet. All right, so now we have our carrot juice extracted, and you know what I'm gonna add now, as it is right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is good to go. You can most certainly just you know, pour this in a glass and you're good. But as I said, because I wanted that rich creaminess of the Jamaican way in which we used to do it, I'm gonna add my Lasco. And as I said, this is the Lasco. It's a powdery you know, product. Yeah, product. It's a powdered product, and you add based on your taste how thick you want it to be, how creamy you want it to be, and you pretty much just stir it in until you get the desired flavor that you want. This Lasco, it has spices in it that is just the same as your regular Jamaican, you know, nutmeg and cinnamon and you know, and then it has a soy milk base, you know. So the health buffs out there will say maybe the soy not good for you and stuff, but hey, you know, it is still much better than just your regular, normal, average, carrot juice. And this is nice when you accompany it with a meal. When you use it, you put this beside a meal, you get a nice, rich carrot flavor. Normally, what I would do is I would leave this in the fridge for, maybe an hour or so, just for it to just, get cool and chill and nice and everything. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to pour it in a glass. And as you can see, it mixes in very well. And we have our Jamaican version, well, the Yardie belly version of the regular Jamaican carrot juice. All right? And this is, as I said before, carrot and beet. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Yardie belly giving you another juice, carrot juice, Jamaican style, and trust me, very, very good. Very, very good.